Is your school doing everything it can to help both teachers and students succeed? Sometimes the signs that something's missing are right in front of us. Here are 5 signs that show your school could benefit from diagnostic assessments to unlock its full potential. 1. If your students' grades are dropping year after year, it's likely because their learning gaps are growing. Traditional tests don't tell you why students are struggling, but diagnostic assessments do. With diagnostic assessments, you can identify these learning gaps and help your students get back on track. 2. Do your teachers feel confident about their subject knowledge? If not, diagnostic assessments can help them check their proficiency and provide learning support through Learning Buddy, so they can master key topics and lead with confidence. 3. Are your board exam results unpredictable? One year is great, but the next year is a struggle. This could mean your students and teachers need targeted support. Diagnostic assessments ensure both students and teachers have the tools they need to consistently perform well. 4. Are your students struggling with competency-based questions like case studies and assertion-reasoning questions? These are now a key part of CBSE board exams. Diagnostic assessments provide these question types and help students practice in a way that builds confidence and sharpens their reasoning skills. 5. If hiring subject-proficient teachers is a challenge, diagnostic assessments can help you evaluate their knowledge before you hire them, ensuring you select the best candidates for your students. Diagnostic assessments aren't just tools. They're game changers for identifying student learning gaps, evaluating and improving teacher proficiency, strengthening exam preparation with competency-based practice, and helping schools recruit the best teachers. Whether you're aiming for better student results or building a stronger teaching team, diagnostic assessments can transform your school's academic outcomes. Make sure your school is ready for every challenge. Visit diagnosticassessment.in and take the first step towards smarter assessments and greater success. Empower your teachers, support your students, and watch your school thrive.